Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the product I'm gonna be testing is something that's really useful to me. I am someone who always forgot to charge my phone, so I've been thinking maybe it's time for me to invest in a wireless charger, which I can use them as a phone holder as well as a wireless charger. So I went on Amazon and tried to buy myself a wireless charger. But when I'm doing the research, most of the phone charger, the price range is between like $20–30, but I also discovered some that are extremely cheap, under $5. Wow, I can't even buy a USB cord for under $5. So I decided to get all of them. Here are 4 wireless chargers I got for under $5 or just above $5. Today I'm going to open them one by one and test them out. Considering how cheap they are, as long as they can actually get my phone charged, I will be happy. If you are interested to see how they work, please keep watching. First, we look at the packaging of all of them. One thing that I noticed immediately is 2 of them came with their box open. I didn't do this, it came like this. Also, this one came with the bottom open. And the other 2 came with the box sealed, but this one, the box is actually a little bit damaging. So it made me wondering maybe those are the products that got returned back to the factory and then they sell them back to the market with a really low price. But even that's the case, I wouldn't care with such a cheap price. I just want to know if they can work properly. Now, let's first open them one by one and see what's inside. The first one is $4.99. With a USB to USB-C. Came with English instruction.
It has a clip. You can easily clip it to the air conditioner fans.
It looked kind of new. Protection. This is not movable. And this is not movable neither. Oh! Wow! Did you see that? Oh, let me do it again. Wow! Let's see. That's pretty cool. Let me put my phone on it. Ooh! Wait. Hey, behave. Okay, I finally figured out. The secret is the red light. Every time I tap the red light, it's gonna open. I tap it again, it's automatically closed. This, it won't slip. Okay. It won't slip again. Okay, it's holding my phone pretty well. So far, this works really well. I am really impressed by how this works. Now, let's move to this one. This is under $5, it's $4.99. And this one came with one side written in Chinese, the other side in English. One side is in Chinese, the other side is in English. So it came like this. You can feel like it's movable. This feels really fragile though. Like I feel like I can easily burn it. And this actually have a really cool blue dot in the middle, but instead this has the logo. This part, which I guess is, This is supposed to go, I think this is supposed to open. Ah, okay, it's just really, you have to press it hard. Okay, so it open, you can clip this. Oh, it can work both ways. You can either tape this to your window or clip this to your aircon. That's pretty thoughtful.
And it also came with a cord that can connect it to your car.
Oh, now I understand why they said it's used the gravity. That's smart. How wide this is depending on how heavy your phone is and how this part works. Because of the weight of my phone and how it stretched the bottom part, it would automatically adjust this part. It's not really steady. If I shake it, you can see my phone is kind of bounce back and forth. I'm not sure if I want to do that, but... Oh my God, don't do that. Well, this gravity design, interesting, good thought, but doesn't really work that well in the reality. Okay, now let's move to the second one. This is $5.5. The brand name listed on Amazon wasn't printed anywhere on the box. It's pretty difficult to link this one with the description on the Amazon. Okay, this one have a holder like this.
This holder actually feels pretty solid. The two arms can be adjusted to hold your phone. What I don't like about it, it doesn't have a bottom part. Although it do have a design on the back that might be used to increase the friction.
This is a sticky. So I suppose this works like that. Something like this. Besides that, it also came with a small clip that you can clip it on the aircon. I feel like if I'm driving, it will be much easier for me to just turn it than press it. We link this to our car and charge this. Wait! Oh! I was wrong! This is also work automatically. Okay, once it's connected, actually work much steadier than before, but it still can move this way, which I don't understand why. This one was $6.99, which is the most expensive one we have today. Maybe because of the price, this one actually came with the nicer package. This is the most like luxury looking one that actually have a pretty cool surface that feels really sci-fi looking. My hand, I would suppose it need to be adjusted when it's charged. What's interesting is this one came with that, which makes me wondering, is it really a wireless charger?
And that is also the only one that came with the connector.
And link it with this, I suppose.
It came with a clipper and it's really hard to open it.
Wow, cool. It seems pretty steady. Okay, I can shake it however I want. It's not moving. I do want to figure out, does this thing work? Oh, I think I understand. So some of the phone maybe did not support wireless charger. So you can still connect your phone to the bottom part and charge it. So it can work both as a wireless charger and not a wireless charger. That's a really interesting design. So now it's time to actually link them to my car and see how they work in the actual situation.
Now my phone is totally exhausted and I'm going to test how much time it needs to turn my phone on. It's going to be a competition within 4 of them. This one, the back part feels a little bit rough. It's hard to put together, also cannot move smoothly. Again, we're gonna start with my phone totally exhausted and see how long it takes it to charge. This one you also need to put a lot of pressure to put it together, but once it's done, it can move really smoothly. Also, this clipper design works really well with my aircon fans. The clipper and the fans won't get in each other's way. Let's get it connected and see how long it takes. The last one, I'm having problems putting the back part together. No matter how hard I try, it won't go in. Finally, I have to put it on without the screw. Also, when I clip it to the aircon fence, it's not tight enough to support the holder, so it's constantly full. I tried to adjust it a few times, but it's not working. But let's still see how long it took to charge. Okay, we got our winner. This takes 4 minutes and 20 seconds. The other three are kinda similar. They all take around 4 minutes 50 seconds.
Honestly, I'm really impressed by how well they work with such a cheap price. But again, this is just a simple test on if they work, if they actually can charge your phone. They might easily not working after use for a few times. But again, with $5, what else can you ask for? And if there are any phone charger you recommend, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. That's everything for today's video. I'll see you in the next video.